everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rhonda Robson and I am a fluid artist right in the middle of the United States of America. Right here in the middle of the United States of America in Sioux City, Iowa. Today is part 2 of a series that I'm doing with flowers that have inspired me in my garden. So today is taking what I learned from the last one and implementing it into this one. And so this one today is yellow. It's beautiful. It's probably one of my favorite flowers. It's like a huge lily, about that big, and it's gorgeous. So let me get you down the canvas and let me show you how I did this one. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing and clicking that notification bell. All right, well, let's get you down the canvas. Bye for now. Bye. Okay, so this one is the big, beautiful yellow one. So I'm gonna start with a lighter for the outside and work my way into the darker, but I still want to do the green, so let me get some green around the edges. Oh, that's that. All right, so we're gonna start with very light yellow. That's bright yellow. All right, let's go with this yellow here first. That is a Cell Activator there. And then this is also a Cell Activator. Now, I'm going to do what I did last time, where I brought white into the center. Gotta be careful not to bring any green. Okay, now let's go ahead and swipe this out. Oh, shoot. Didn't want that. actually looks really pretty. What do you think? I like it. I'm just gonna leave it, actually. Yeah, I don't think I need anything because that's what happens when you don't pay attention to what you're doing. But these ones do have a little bit of green on the inside of theirs. So that's actually not horrible. I really like it. So, yeah, I think I'm gonna leave it and I'm gonna torch it. So what torching does is it will pop the air bubbles in the painting as well, in the paint, as well as making sure that if there's other cells, it'll populate them up. So I'm gonna get this one little area right there off the side. Okay, I like it. Not too bad.
Thanks for watching, and if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so that way you can get notified when I have a new video up. Thank you for watching and have a great day.